State asigi kachin koya sin bathungna chathok sa sin tawbada khudong chananaba Manipur State Transport ke bus sing service tawnanaba Thabak Paikhatli haina Manipur lenga ke Additional Chief Secretary Transport Anurag Bajpai na phongdokre wafam asing ase Imphal is district ki manung channa top dusarada leiba Institute of Driver Training and Research Center IDTRC Manipur da Manipur State Transport ke driver amasung conductor singi numit humni ki oiba refresher course ama hawdopagi thoramamda mahakna phongdokhibane Training hawdopagi thoramadda Transport Department ki Director Khumantem Daina amasung Department asimak ki Deputy Director Samson Huidrom na maru oiba mitunglen sing oina sarukya ke Thoramaduga mari lainana Additional Chief Secretary Transport Anurag Bajpai na hai miyam gi chathok sasin tawbada khudong chananaba Manipur State Transport ke bus sing asi Manipur gi kachin koya sin bathungna service tawnaba hotnari Transport Department ki makhada cheliba bus sing asigi kanaba miyam da phanghanba haiba si lenga ki pandamni haukiba chahi taret nipan hena MST gi bus service lep luraba matungda amuk hanna state asigi mafam khuding makta yauduna miyam gi chathok sasinda hena khudong chananaba department asigi bus sing amasung hana chenba haunanaba thabak paikhatli masida passenger sing asoi angam yauhandana service piba ngamnanaba MST gi driver amasung conductor singi refresher course asi pangthokpani thorang asina miyam gi thabak thoram pangthokpada hena kanaba piba ngamgani lenga ki transport department ki bus service tawba matamda manama sing yonduna nongmagi chara taliba singdagi Chara taliba singdagi hauna chathok sa sin tawbada kanaba kaya ama supigani haina Anurag Bajpai na makha na phongdokhe
Deep commitment, the government, to strengthen the foundations of public transport in our state. And that is why it gives high priority to the mobility, safety and daily life of our common people. Because surface transport, that is the bus, is one of the cheapest mode of transportation and it is being used by the common people who don't have cars, who don't have motorcycles, who don't have other means. So the government is committed for the cause of the common people. And as you all may be aware that for last 7-8 years, the buses are not plying in the state to various routes. And the government is now almost ready to start various routes for the common people. We are working on it, and before that, perhaps drivers and conductors who have not been driving or, running the buses for a longer duration, a kind of a refresher course was essential because the time has changed, technology has changed, people perception have changed, many things have changed over a period of time. So I think this refresher course was essential.